Hey team, Richie here. Today I'm going to be doing a product review. As you know, with the increased participation in CrossFit and Olympic weightlifting, people performing front squats, back squats, snatch, clean and jerk is increasing tenfold, and there is one simple mechanism that we use to increase position and productivity in these exercises, and that is a weightlifting shoe. So today I'm going to be doing a product review on a weightlifting shoe. That shoe is the Industrial Athletic Do-Win. This is a weightlifting shoe that is readily available in New Zealand just off their website. Very easy to access and to your door within the week. When performing the Olympic lifts or even a front squat or back squat, the body becomes load bearing. It basically becomes a load bearing structure. And with any structure, the stability is only ever as good as its foundation, like a building. Olympic shoes are your foundation, and they serve a number of purposes. One is the base of support. Obviously we're holding a load through the body, and the last thing we want is our foundation to compress, such as a running shoe or a cross trainer. So if you look at a weightlifting shoe, this heel is not only raised, but it's solid. This allows this transfer of energy to go down through the ground without this shifting down. Last thing we want to do is have, say myself, 190 kilos on my shoulders and this to shift, because this is going to transfer through my body and my body will shift and therefore could cause an injury. The next thing we're going to look at is transfer of energy through this heel as well. So when I'm dipping or I'm producing force, I'm trying to move this barbell, and this force comes down and to the weightlifting platform, and this is an efficient transfer of energy down through the shoe. So this is very important in terms of energy transfer. The raised heel, obviously this is a big thing. It gives the body a mechanism to allow the knee to draw forward into a better position. So this allows the hip or the pelvis to draw it closer to the ankle. So what in turn will happen is the torso angle will become slightly higher, and this will draw my center of gravity closer to my line of gravity, which will then create more stability. Now this is really important when we're holding an overhead position, because if my torso angle is forward, my shoulder cannot hold an externally rotated position, and therefore if my torso drops forward because of my ankle mobility, equals my shoulder has to drop out of an external rotation to internal rotation to push it back, and therefore, because of what's happening down here, creates instability up here. So we can address that by having a raised heel. Very important. The other one is strapping yourself in, because we don't want any shifting within the shoe. So a double strap, lace system, nice and tight, equals a really good quality shoe. I've put a number of people into these shoes. I've had a try of them myself. They are a very, very good quality shoe, and a great entry level and very accessible shoe in New Zealand. So if you are keen on weightlifting shoes, get on their website and you won't be disappointed. I'm going to do a couple of videos now just to show you what I'm talking about in terms of that mobility position in the upper body. Hope you get something out of this, and hopefully it makes you see that you really do need these if you are performing these lifts. Richie out.